Well, here we are in the customer's house here, and you know you're in a good neighborhood when they don't have a bolt lock on there. That's wild. All right, so I got the heat here on 68. That's going to do. That's going to cut the humidity. I got the machine upstairs. Like I said, we're using a microfiber pad with the scrub strip. All right, so here we go. Getting it sprayed in here. All right, got my first room. I'm only doing rooms. I'll do the hallway last, work my way out of the room. All right. And that thing over here too. Spray, 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 spray. All right, here we go. I like getting my edges first. Okay. All right, so here we are. Got the carpet scrubbed here, all upstairs. Going to allow it to properly dry. All right, so we got a dark patch in here. All right, and then we got a nasty little patch here, but I want to hit these two stains for you. Just to give you an idea, of course, we're using our piece cleaner. Way back away. Check that out. All right. Now after I vacuum it, you're not gonna be able to see anymore. So looks like we got that thing up. Looks like the. All right. Whoops. Sorry. My bad. Didn't mean to get you dizzy there. All right, here. So stairs are looking good. Same process that we always use. Got our drill and our pad here. Using a hog hair pad. All right. Oh, there's a pink stain in it right here. Let's see, my bad. It's my camera cover. All right, guys. So it's vacuum time. All right, check this out. So we're done on this side here. It looks great. I'm gonna take a picture. That one's for the gram. Okay, this one. That one's for the gram, but not your grandma. Instagram. My nice shark teeth in there and them shark bite. Ooh ah. Shark bite. Ooh ah. Put that down in the comments if you know. Well, not the comments, but put that down. I guess it is the comments on YouTube. Put that down in there if you know where that's off of. Like short shark bait. Short shark teeth, like long shark teeth. Pick your poison, whichever one you want. What you want?